Yeah, good morning. As you know, the International Yoga Day is celebrated on the 21st of June every year. And yoga as a form of exercise not only promotes a healthy body, it also promotes a healthy mind, which is very useful for us in the Coast Guard, because not only we require fit bodies for our forces to beat the stresses of the office and the families, we also want healthy minds in our people. So we in the Coast Guard are promoting yoga in a big way. We started doing yoga on our ships, in our units, as part of our daily fitness regimen. And as part of the build-up for the International Yoga Day, we've also started doing yoga with the fishing communities during the different community interaction programs. And 30th May this year has been chosen by Coast Guard for doing yoga and promoting yoga with the civilian population of Goa. And since in the Coast Guard we are closely associated with the sea and the coast, so the people living on the coastline, the fishermen, the villagers form very important association with us, and the beach is the right place to have a combined yoga of the Coast Guard personnel and their families and the civilian population. So with this idea we approached the Valsao Panchayat, and they were very forthcoming, and they have given us this space, and they have also joined up with us to have yoga with us and to promote yoga for all Indians, which will lead to a fitter India, in line with the Prime Minister's aim of promoting International Yoga Day and having a fit India.
आज योगा डे जेन्ना आमी AIG आमचे जालो एक म्हयनो आमच्या एका MLA न्यूली इलेक्टेड MLA भगवान कॉलवाजाक फेलिसिट करपाक हाडले AIG होम गार्ड. सो तांकां दिसलें की एक वेलसां बरी सुवात बरो लोक, आनी तेणी म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केलें की आमी योगा डे हिंगा वेलसांव करपाक शकताय, जातलें काय म्हणून. सो हांवें मागीर मुगेले सरपंचाक सांगलें की आमी एक वेलसांव हो योगा डे करुया. आनी आज म्हाका व्हडली खुशालकाय की पयले पार्टी वेलसांव ह्या गांवांत हो योगा डे कोस्ट गार्ड हे येवन हिंगा एक हो योगा डे करपाक तेणी आमकां बरी वेवस्था दिली, बरे भाशेन हे जातले अशें म्हाका दिसता. आमचो गांवचो लोक पार्टिसिपेट जालो आनी तेमचे लोक सुमार आज 200 सुमार वयर लोक तेमचो येयलो. सो म्हाका एक व्हडली खुशालकाय ह्या वेलसांव गांवांत पयले पार्टी हो एक योगा डे हिंगा आमच्या वेलसांव केलो. आनी तेणी म्हाका सांगलां की आमी हे मोटिवेट कोताय कित्याक भुरग्यांक पडपाक की हाल्यां जर कितें जॉब आहाय, 12th बी पास जालो जाल्यार भुरग्यांक हाल्यां आमच्यान तेंच्यान एप्रोच जावपा जाता कोस्ट गार्डाक, आनी कितें तो जॉब आनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेवपा जाता. सो ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता की आमी एक वेलसांव कितें केलां हे तेमच्या आदारान. सो म्हाका एक बरी व्हडली खुशालकाय हे म्हज्या गांवांत हें जालां म्हणून.